guys, I'll show you today how to change the small bulb light, this one from here, from Audi A3 2015. So we're gonna remove this rubber thing, rubber cap, and here inside we have this clamp, this one. Just catch it and pull it out. And here we have, I buy this blue lights LED. Looks like this. And let's see if they're fitting. Oops. So now we have to remove this bulb. Just pull it out. Should go very easy out. And put the new one in place. It's hard for me with one hand. Yeah, I'm gonna look like this. So now let's put it back. Just push it inside. It's not easy to fit it back. And there we go. That's it. It's inside. Now let's see how they looks. We install it. Let's see now how it looks. Oh, that's sexy. Right. I hope this video gonna help you.